How to fix error 404 in Shopify. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. If you want to fix this error, which I get right here as an example, 404 not found, page not found, all you need to do is go into the content section and then you will choose menus and you want to select URL redirects. Then choose create URL redirect. And here you will paste the page which you're getting the error on. This is going to be the page that I'm getting the error on. So /test, I will paste it. And then where do you want to redirect to? So which one is going to fix it? Which page is going to fix it? I'm just going to do this and collections /o. This is going to be the fix for it. Then you will click on save redirect. And now if I refresh this, as you can see, it redirects me to the page which it is supposed to. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.